Struggling to write natural, character-rich dialogue for your game? What if you could generate it instantly with the power of AI right inside Unity? Talksmith is a dialogue AI generator, lets you generate smart, multi-character dialogue using powerful AI models, with no coding or machine learning needed. Set your scene, add characters with personality traits, define context, and hit generate. Get started. This tool works seamlessly with OpenRouter API keys, providing access to over 300 different AI models. You can use free API keys as well as paid ones. After importing the package, go to Tools Dialog AI Generator. The editor window will open. Here's where all the magic happens. Choose your AI model. Click Add Character to create a new participant in the conversation. For each character, set name, gender, mood, goal, traits like grumpy, child, or wise, number of dialogue lines. You can provide general information in the context description, or even define a speaker that the characters can react to. You can even specify the character's attitudes or feelings toward the speaker. Click Generate Dialogue and watch the tool create a full conversation based on your setup. Want to generate dialogue during gameplay? Use either Dialogue Runtime One-Shot for single-shot generation, Dialogue Runtime Component for dynamic, configurable use in runtime. Just add the component to a game object, fill in the settings in script, and call Generate Dialogue. That's it. You're ready to start creating smart, dynamic conversations with AI. Have fun, and check the documentation for more tips and best practices. Available now on Unity Asset Store.